In the box, you will find the robot, self-empty base, vac and mop dustbin, mopping pads, and a side brush. Place the dock mat on the ground a few inches in front of your wall, guiding the raised triangles into the holes on the bottom of the dock. Place the dock on the landing mat. Plug the dock into a wall outlet. The dock light will turn on when plugged in. Snap the side brush on the bottom side of the robot. To remove the pad plate, find the blue pinch points on the back of the dustbin. Squeeze these pinch points and slide the pad plate off of the vac and mop dustbin. With the pad plate removed, insert the vac and mop dustbin into the robot. Place your robot on the dock with the back of the robot facing the base. Ensure the robot is properly aligned on the base metal contacts, and you should see the dock light turn blue. To begin a wet cleaning mission, the pad plate will need to be put back on the robot. To do this, slide the pad plate along the underside of the vac and mop dustbin until it clicks into place. Once this is complete, fill the water reservoir of the vac and mop dustbin by lifting the blue stopper up and filling with water or cleaning solution. To return to dry mode, simply detach the pad plate. Emptying the water reservoir will help improve the clean and navigation, but not required. Download the Shark Clean app for full functionality of your robot's cleaning features, like home mapping, no-go zones, whole home cleaning, and targeted cleaning missions. For best mapping performance, ensure that the floor is clear of any socks, clothes, cables, toys, or other obstacles, and open any doors that would prevent it from reaching areas of your home. The first run your robot will complete is an explore run to map your home. During this run, your robot will quickly use its sensors to build a cleaning map of your home. You will then be able to use this map to help set zones, such as no-go zones and carpet zones, and set targeted cleaning from the app.